Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a 74HC08 or equivalent, a stable 5V supply, and a breadboard. You place the IC, wire VCC and GND, and identify input pins. Once done, attach simple input sources, switches, or define logic levels, and add output indicators like LEDs with series resistors. Make sure to reference the truth table so you know what to expect. Begin testing single input combinations, first to verify basic response. Next, focus on reliable wiring and integration. You should run short jumpers, ensure a common ground, and reduce noise by keeping leads tidy. Once done, add pull-up or pull-down resistors to prevent floating inputs. 10K ohmega is a good starting point. If you're combining gates, cascade outputs into inputs, but make sure you respect fan-out and drive capability. Also consider propagation delay when chaining many stages, and verify timing with a slow input toggle to observe correct transitions. To finish, systematically test and verify every input combination while watching the output. You can use LEDs for quick checks, a multimeter for voltages, or a logic analyzer for timing. If outputs act strangely, check pin mapping and power rails first. Floating inputs or reversed pins are common errors. Make sure to isolate the problematic section, test a single gate with known inputs, and swap the IC if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the fault with a single input change to pinpoint the failure mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.